Remember all of the young faces that cheered on John McCain and Barack Obama in 2008? The campaign signs, the t-shirts, and the rock concert atmosphere of political rallies? 4 years later, that excitement has diminished.
I haven't been really hearing too much about it on campus. I mean, people are pretty much into midterms and studying for finals.
I feel like some of the students feel like, if they don't vote, it's not going to really make a difference.
With a tough economy, high unemployment, and rising tuition costs, some say there's not much to get excited about.
I see it as a business right now in politics. They want to get in, do what they want to do, and by the end of their term, what happens, happens.
But some student groups are working to turn frustration into enthusiasm. The campus's student government body, known as Associated Students Incorporated, registered more than 500 new student voters this quarter.
I always think that the college vote is very important. It could sway an election and it could take a toll on certain propositions this year.
And one of the most important issues for students, the governor's sales tax initiative known as Proposition 30. If it fails, higher education could see a $250 million budget cut.
Students, everywhere from elementary to college students, we're just left on the back burner.
And come Tuesday, those who vote will have a chance to make their voices heard.
If you don't vote, you really do not have the opportunity and the right to complain about anything.
Chris Pavlish, 17 News.